Sharpologist.com.
When it comes to traditional wet shaving, two main types of safety razors dominate the market: open comb and closed comb razors, also known as safety bar razors. Open comb versus closed comb razors, which one is right for you? Each design offers unique characteristics that cater to different shaving needs and preferences. Open comb razors feature teeth or gaps along the razor head, resembling a comb. This design exposes more of the blade's edge, guiding hair into the blade for a precise cut. The open structure allows lather, hair, and shaving debris to pass through, reducing clogging. These razors excel at cutting through longer or thicker hair, making them ideal for those who shave less frequently or have coarse facial hair. However, their more aggressive nature requires a more practiced technique and can be less forgiving for beginners. On the other hand, closed comb razors feature a solid bar running along the razor head below the blade's edge. This bar provides a smoother and more protective surface against the skin, making closed comb razors generally milder and more forgiving. Closed comb razors are better suited for beginners or those with sensitive skin. They offer consistent blade contact with the skin, reducing the likelihood of irritation or nicks. These razors are favored for daily shaving routines due to their gentler nature. When choosing between open comb and closed comb razors, consider your shaving frequency, hair type, skin sensitivity, and experience level. Open comb razors are great for less frequent shavers with thicker hair, while closed comb razors are ideal for daily use and sensitive skin. Remember, regardless of your choice, proper technique and preparation are key to achieving the best results. Always start with a hot shower or warm towel. Use quality shaving products and maintain the correct razor angle for a smooth, comfortable shave. Key takeaways. Open comb razors are more aggressive and efficient, suitable for experienced shavers and less frequent shaving. Closed comb razors offer a gentler experience, perfect for beginners and those with sensitive skin. Choose based on your individual needs and shaving habits.